Hi, I'm Dr. Carl Stevens. I'm the Dean of Online Education, and this is just a quick tutorial on integrating Zoom into a WebCampus course so that you can use it as a conferencing tool with your students. For this to work, you need to have a Zoom account that is tied to your GBC email account. A personal account or a departmental account won't work in this process. It has to be a GBC email related account, and it would be good to be logged into Zoom before you begin this process. I'm going to share my workshop here with you, and you can see that I've created a module just for the purpose of this training. You can use any module you'd like. You begin by creating a new page in the module by clicking this plus sign. That brings up this box where you can choose the drop-down box and choose external tool. And that brings up some options. Scroll down to the bottom of the page here and choose Zoom and add item. Now you can see that that has added a Zoom page to your module. When you click on that Zoom page, it will open up the scheduling page within Zoom. This is why you need to already be logged in. And then you can go ahead and schedule a new meeting for this particular purpose. You can name it whatever you'd like, choose the date and the time. I typically do not have a waiting room, because if so, that means that you have to let students in as they're trying to get in the room, and you don't want to be bothered with that. These other options of hosts and participants having their video on, you can choose all those options. Save the meeting. And then when we come back to our course into our modules, when you click on the Zoom room page, it brings up the option for you to then start that meeting. Okay, so this is how you would get the meeting going, and then students could come in. I believe that students are able to enter the room without logging into Zoom. So this is a very handy way to have a conference with your students and or a discussion. And I hope that this has been helpful.